channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video, we're in Spaldings. Spaldings is located in Clarendon in Jamaica. So today I'm going to share with you guys some must-try things when you guys come to Spaldings, okay? You don't want to miss out on these things. So if you're new to my channel, I suggest that you subscribe because I do a lot more videos similar to this. Listen, if you're interested in seeing these must-try things, stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, when you come to Jamaica, I know everyone wants to try fresh and organic and local fruits here. So when you're in Spaldings, I recommend all of you going to the Spaldings local market. There you can buy a variety of fruits, from potatoes straight to pineapples to anything that's in season. And I definitely always say I recommend you buying from the local markets because you're supporting local businesses. And listen, so affordable, good quality things at such a low price. And I love fruits and I love vegetables. So I always come to the local market to buy some of my fruits and vegetables that I'm going to need for the week. So if you're in Spaldings, definitely recommend you going to the local market. You can find any and everything that you want. And everyone at the market is so kind and friendly, willing to help you. So don't hesitate to go. Make sure you head over to Spaldings market and buy your fave fruits and vegetables. And comment down below, is there a fruit or vegetable that you have to try when you come to Jamaica, or something that you always buy when you come? Just comment down below. Okay, after fruit shopping, if you have a sweet tooth, I definitely recommend everyone going to Crazy Jim's. If you love ice cream, cake, smoothies, even burger, all the way to fried chicken, Crazy Jim's has it all just for you. Crazy Jim's is the spot in Spaldings, and I definitely recommend everyone going there. They have such great customer service. They're very fast, prompt, and they do exactly what you want. When you go there, the prices are super affordable, okay? When I saw the prices, I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot resist. And when I go there, I'm always ordering the most, okay? Because I just love everything. I love getting smoothies. I got the milk smoothie and I got an ice cream, and there's variety of sizes, and I definitely got cake as well. So what I definitely recommend everyone doing is getting a fruit smoothie from Crazy Jim's. It's so good. It's such an healthy option. Everything is made with all natural fruits. Comment down below what your favorite sweet thing to eat is. Is it cake? Is it ice cream? Is it a certain candy? Okay, so after getting something sweet while in Spaldings, you can go over to the Spaldings library and you can chill out. I enjoy going to the Spaldings library all the time. It's so clean, it's quiet, and the perfect spot to relax. Use their free and super fast Wi-Fi, meet up with others, socialize outside with a nice view, and get some things done, whether it is check your emails, check out some books, or do your schoolwork. There's people there to always help you with printing, scanning, faxing, any and every question there is. Something to keep in mind is that there is a modest dress code for the library. So in case anything, bring a t-shirt or a sweater just to throw over you if you're going into the library. But no worries, you can always use their Wi-Fi or read a book outside on the benches with a cool breeze. And also the library is always educating you and providing tips on the most current thing occurring on the island. But here's a little tip I should not be sharing with anyone. If you need parking while you're in Spaldings, because it can get a bit difficult to find one, you can park at the library's parking space during their hours of operation, which is safe and definitely accessible. Okay, so another thing you can do is get your nails done in Spaldings. So head over to Diggings, located at the back of the Orange Plaza, to get your nails done, okay? So come along and follow me to get my nails done at one of the top nail spots in Spaldings. They do manicure, pedicures, any and everything that you want. The reason so many people go to Diggings is because they get more than just getting their nails done. It's an experience of fun and laughter, and I definitely love that. I love going to places where it's beyond receiving the service, and that's what you get with Diggings, okay?
It's like you have this brother named Animal. A place named Clarendon.
Clarendon?
Kingston, yeah, Clarendon, just up there, across the road from Riverton City. Yeah, and my papa is said named Diggins. I'm just going to see my team Diggins and just like, brother, you know, say I'm bad selling this, you know. And I go around it, so we just pick it up and deal with it. Right now, they forget about the word Diggins, you know, and then they're happy around it. You see it? Right now, Diggins just calling all stars, and I tell you, I don't forget it. But some things goes still, I always do some sitting, just take up some sitting and turn it and some something, it's me. Anything we touch, Annesha, I turn gold, believe me. When I pick up my tree now, when I pick up my road, you see it? Yeah. So the red Diggins, don't forget it.
Diggins can get a bit busy and the wait times can get long. So what I recommend you doing while waiting is you can go next door to La Linga Gaming Lounge. This place is a gaming fiesta. You can choose to go upstairs or downstairs, but we decided to play some virtual games upstairs, which was so cool and fun. The pricing to play the games is super affordable and everyone there is so friendly, helpful, and welcoming. The place is clean and so cool. If you're someone who enjoys playing games or know someone who does, I definitely recommend going. I'm not even a video games person anymore, but that was just something to do in the meantime, which was so cool and fun. We got to play the virtual gaming and trust me, it was so crazy. I was like, oh my God, this was such a fun little thing to do. So I'm going to link La Liga Gaming Lounge in the description box if you want any more information. And of course, you can always go shopping in Spaldings for beauty, fashion, and hygiene items at any of the local stores around. So make sure you shop around and find some of your fave little beauty or fashion item. Now, next, you can take a drive 10 minutes out of Spaldings town to Lowood to this hidden gem of a river to get a swim. This free river is clean, pretty, and perfect for a cool swim during the hot days in Jamaica. Now, trust me, the water is so cold, but the place is just so pretty and worth it, and you definitely get used to the water. This place is beautiful and is a must recommend and must go to in Spaldings. And yeah, that's the last thing that I recommend everyone doing here in Spaldings. That's it for today's video. Comment down below what place I should do next. Maybe Manchester, maybe St. James, who knows? Comment down below and comment any other things from Spaldings that you may have that we should include. And that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Au revoir.
Love you.
They love Sada.
Love you.